Hi everyone, welcome to Brandon Kitchen. So today we'll be cooking green bananas and white beans, commonly known as Katogo in Uganda. So here are the white beans, and we have some onions and tomatoes plus eggplants. We have some ghee and seasoning plus salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of the bananas and how it can be peeled just with a knife. So here I am peeling the banana. So you can see you have to press your thumb on the banana so that the knife doesn't get so deep to take the rest of the flesh of the banana. You see, like that. Just like that. It's very simple. When you get used to it, the rest is just chop chop, you know. So the following bananas, I'm going to be doing them quick so that we can hurry up and get done with this video. Guys, this food is widely eaten in southern Uganda, and if you just go there in any of the restaurants and ask for Katogo, this is what you will get. And it's also really liked by pregnant women. I think because of the sour eggplants. Guys, I like peeling bananas like this because this is the most quickest method I know. And also there is another way of cutting the edge and peeling the banana out of the out of the skin, but that one takes quite a long time and I'm not so familiar with that, so this is what I used. It's so much easier for me. So you see, not a lot is taken really off. Guys, I haven't peeled bananas for a long time. And I feel happy to cut them again. To peel them again, not cut them. Cutting them will be weird. Watch me struggle. So here they are done, and we are gonna add in the white beans. They are called vice bonen. So you're gonna add in some water, and you can also make sure the water does not exceed the level of the bananas where they are, because we don't need so much water. We need thick soup later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. The onions, and the tomatoes, plus the eggplants. So here it is, and I'm gonna put it on fire. So I put it on fire for 7 minutes, and this is how it looks like. So at this point I add in the ghee and also some seasoning and salt. And I will let it sit on low heat for a minimum of 4 minutes. Guys, this is how it looks like when it's done. and the aroma from the ghee is really nice. So thank you for watching, and guys, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe.